Today, we're going to be doing a very quick tutorial on how to cook one of our organic Scottish salmon fillet steaks. First thing to remember, get your pan on the heat. You need that to be nice smoking hot before the salmon goes in. Next step, get your salmon skin side down. Season the top of the flesh, ready for cooking. So now that your pan's hot, it's starting to smoke, you want to go straight in with your oil. You want probably a couple of tablespoons of oil, and straight in with your salmon fillet, skin side down. So what we're looking for here is a lovely crispy skin at the bottom of the salmon. We're going to cook it 90% of the way through, and it's going to take about 12 minutes. Now that your salmon's working in the pan, you just want to make sure that you get this heat down nice and low. So halfway through, you want to start to think about turning that heat up. So just turn it up just a couple of notches. So given the size of the fillet steak, what we're going to do is we're now going to start working the sides of the steak itself. So all you need to do, quite simple, is go underneath, give it a little lift, turn it over on its side, and you want to give that about a minute and a half each side. Okay, so that's a minute and a half on the first side. Just gently turn around your salmon, get the spatula underneath, turn it over, and there you go. And as you can see, you've got this lovely colouring on the salmon on top. Okay, so after another minute and a half, let's get her over. So you've got lovely coloration on all sides. So what you want to do, salmon, flesh side down, turn her down a notch, in with a tiny knob of butter. Just let that melt, let it bubble away. And you just want 2-3 minutes on a very low heat, just finishing the salmon off. And the last thing, just to get all that flavour, just give that salmon a lovely base with the butter. So guys, salmon fillet steak, nice and simple, 12 minutes, crispy, golden, and delicious.